So let's talk about xylitol for a second. I've been using xylitol for over 20 years in dental practice. The xylitol products that we have lower doses of xylitol when it comes to some of the research that you're probably seeing. So there's a new research article out that if you ingest over 30 grams of xylitol, it could have some side effects like platelet coagulation, which causes heart attack and stroke. So that is some of the side effects that they're showing recently with xylitol. I've used xylitol for over 20 years in dental practice. Here are the benefits of xylitol. First off, you're not ingesting 30 grams of xylitol in dental products. So there is no risk when it comes to using xylitol products that are within the oral environment. You're usually swishing and spitting. And this probably has no more than 9 grams that you're swishing and spitting. The benefits of xylitol are this. It helps to pH balance the mouth. The more acidic the mouth, the more favorable it is for bacteria that can cause gingivitis and periodontal disease. Periodontal disease, the pathogens of periodontal disease are highly tied to colorectal cancer, cardiovascular risk, Alzheimer's disease, adverse pregnancy outcomes. So if I can raise the pH and minimize those pathogens that I know have a worse effect than possibly having 9 grams that you're spitting out into your mouth, I'm absolutely going to still recommend xylitol. Xylitol is taken in by the bacteria that usually metabolizes carbohydrates, and it can't be metabolized by that. So it causes the bacteria that causes acid attack onto the tooth structure to die off over time. So it's anti-cavity as well. We've been using xylitol in the mouth for honestly 30 years. And I don't think anyone has died from a heart attack from me saying, have a mint or a gum or a rinse to help balance the oral microbiome. I work for an oral microbiome testing company. I deal with the pathogens on a daily basis, and xylitol is one of the things that I can incorporate. I recommend it 5 times a day to balance the oral microbiome because I know the oral microbiome has a downstream effect for your health in many aspects. So don't fear xylitol in your oral products. Honestly, a xylitol gum or a chew probably have milligrams worth of xylitol in it. You're not ingesting enough where it would cause those side effects.